The Three Little Pigs. Hello and welcome to Learn English with Stories. Today's story is fun, easy, and full of learning. Let's listen to the tale of the Three Little Pigs and a Big Bad Wolf. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs. They lived with their mother in a small house. One day, the mother said, "You are big now. Go and build your own houses. But be careful, the big bad wolf is near." The three little pigs said goodbye to their mother and went into the world. The first little pig was lazy. He said, "I will build my house with straw. It is quick and easy." He made a house with yellow straw and went inside to rest. The second little pig liked to play. He said, "I will build my house with sticks. It is stronger than straw." He made a house with wooden sticks and started dancing. The third little pig was smart. He said, "I will build my house with bricks. It takes time, but it will be strong." He worked hard and built a strong house of red bricks. One day, the big bad wolf came to the straw house. He knocked and said, little pig, let me come in." The pig said, "No, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin." The wolf said, "Then I'll huff and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in." He huffed and he puffed, and he blew the straw house down. The little pig ran to his brother's stick house. The wolf followed them to the stick house. He knocked and said, little pigs, let me come in." They said, "No, no, not by the hair of our chinny chin chin." The wolf said, "Then I'll huff and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in." He huffed and he puffed, and he blew the stick house down. The two pigs ran to the brick house. Now the wolf came to the brick house. He knocked and said, little pigs, let me come in." They said, "No, no, not by the hair of our chinny chin chin." The wolf said, "Then I'll huff and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in." He huffed and puffed, but the house did not fall. He tried again and again. Still the house stayed strong. The wolf was very tired and very angry. Then the wolf climbed onto the roof. He said, "I will go down the chimney." But the smart pig had a big pot of hot water, ready in the fireplace. The wolf fell into the pot. "Ouch!" he screamed. He jumped out and ran away, and never came back. The three little pigs were happy and safe. They said, "Hard work is always better than quick work." And they lived happily ever after. Let's review some new words from the story. Straw, dry grass used for making things. Sticks, small pieces of wood. Bricks, strong building blocks. Huff and puff, blowing air with force. Chimney, a pipe on the roof for smoke. Lazy, not wanting to work. Smart, clever, and wise. Hard work, doing your best with effort. Thank you for watching The Three Little Pigs. What did you learn from this story? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Clicks for more simple English stories. See you next time.